Hey everyone, it's Tommy, and thanks for joining. What I'm going to talk to you about today is the good, bad, and the ugly, unfortunately. But before I get started, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and definitely hit the like button on this video. By subscribing, I'm going to have at least one video out every week. I try to put out multiple videos, but definitely subscribe and let's kick things off here. So let's start with the ugly. Look, guys, this has been a very bipolar week, and it started off okay Monday, but definitely Tuesday it was it was rough out of the gate really, and if you weren't prepared for it, it was definitely something that was going to hurt. So we did have a recovery on Wednesday, but it didn't confirm. And then again here today, Thursday, I'm using Tesla's chart for as an example here. But Monday this thing bled off. Tuesday was just a horrible open at the morning, but it was a great buying opportunity, and you got to have really nice profits. This was like a 100 point move, a little over 120 point move actually from the low to high, and then just right back down here Thursday. So for those of you that are new traders, one thing that I really push that I teach in my group is to understand the situation that you're in, understand the markets, and keep an eye on things. And I'm always warning. For example, let me just show you a clip right here. I'm always talking about that. Hey, I wasn't comfortable with using too much size here. I really don't like to size up into green candles. It looked like we were starting to be overbought in the markets. So I always tell everybody, hey, take what the market gives you. And we're traders, so it's a little bit different with investing, and even investors know good times to take profits. But I felt that we would see red days coming up. This was just a couple of weeks ago, and but it doesn't deter me from trading. It keeps, I stay in the game, and I take small wins until we face a correction or a pullback like we're facing right now. So I definitely like to point that out. And then another clip right here. Like I said, on the 22nd, a few days back, it was it was red, excuse me, and I just wanted to let everyone know, hey, this is whenever you find out what kind of a trader you are, you navigate through these things. Talked about a few tickers, proceeding with caution, and things like that. So, and just last week I said, hey, look, just to reiterate, small position size, a lot more red, and sometimes it's just best to stay small in size, wait on the sideline, and, until you get through it, and that's where we are right now. So it doesn't matter really. A lot of tickers, and I'll type a couple in here that we were in, but uh, let's revert back to something that was good. So going into Monday, you know, this was an alert, and this was really perfectly timed. So I gave an alert off here right around 3 o'clock, 3:30 in the afternoon on on CTIB, and we went into the following day and had a really nice move up to 5. This was basically 100% alert. So when I gave this alert off, this thing started going in the after hours, giving us an opportunity to take profits, and then also to potentially get back in or ride that wave the next day. So this is the morning on the 23rd, whenever everything started to go downhill. So a lot of people were nervous, and that's normal. So one of the things you get with me and my group is if you're a new trader, I'm going to help you, you know, obviously try and find the best gains, but also to retain those gains and to prepare for any downturn in the market and things like that. So, and that's exactly where we are, and that's what happened. So I had back-to-back calls with WATT and CTIB. This was back on Friday with Watt, and we were able to get into this position on Thursday, and we had great timing for this spike here. This ended up being about 120, 130% move from that alert there. So from going from Friday into Monday with back-to-back alerts that took off for triple digits, that really allowed us to prepare for the bad couple of days that we just had here in the market. So again, it doesn't matter what ticker that you look at. A few other tickers that we're down on right now. For example, MRIN was one. Everything, these charts just look terrible. So at the end of the day today, into the after hours, things just faded off. This one actually had a bad earnings report. but a few other ones were KXIN. Uh, and this chart also is it's still going to be all right, but again, everything just sold off today. This was another one, and UZE was another one. This here we still feel has the ability to pop and go much higher, but again, we'll see what the market conditions give us. And then another one is ITRM. So just a few of these. Let me go back here to a 30-minute chart, but these are a few that we've been playing up and down. We caught this one perfectly on the way down Tuesday morning. Rode this thing up for some really nice profits here from the 140s, 150s, 160s, all the way back up to $2. And now it looks like we're going to be able to get to do this again with ITRM. Anyway, that's a little bit of the good, bad, and the ugly for this week. So hopefully we can hold on and not go too much lower here into next week. See if we can get a rebound, and if not, we'll be prepared because we raised more cash and we're ready for any discount bargains that we're going to get. This way we can get the best price and then ride it back up. All right, everyone. Thanks a lot again. Please hit subscribe and like, and I'll talk to you soon.